Hey, it is Darby at Calm Math, and today's Math for Fun is making shapes and finding area. And if you have something like toothpicks or matches, anything that's like the same length, you'll need 12 of them. um, you can play along, or you could use GeoGebra. GeoGebra, I don't know how to say it. Which I will show you how to do at the end of this video. So what shapes and areas can you make with 12 sticks, all 1 inch long? Your sticks don't have to be 1 inch long, but let's just use one because it's an easy number to work with. So the first shape, super easy, is a square, and it's 3 by 3. So all sides of a square are the same. And if we were to, like say, draw a line to calculate the area, we could count how many inside squares there are, which would be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So a square is the area is the length times the width. So 3 times 3 is 9, or you could count up the squares, which is also 9. So with 12 sticks, you can get an area of 9 square inches. What other shapes could you make with these 12 sticks? Here's a polygon in the shape of a cross. And really, all I did for this one was turn in the corners of the square. So again, if you wanted to like draw lines to count up the area for this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the area of this one would be 5 square inches. Or you could say 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 was taken away from the corners. 9 minus 4 is 5. That's 2 different ways to find the area of this one. So with the same 12 sticks, we made this polygon in the shape of a cross, and the area is 5 square inches. Can you make a shape with 12 sticks and an area of 4 square inches? If you want to pause the video here and see if you can figure it out, go ahead and do so. I'm going to wait a brief moment before explaining. My first thought was to make a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So a 3, 4, 5 triangle is a standard right triangle, and one of the sides is 3, one of the sides is 4, and then the hypotenuse, or the long side across from the right angle, is 5. And 3, 4, 5 triangles are always like proportionate. So it could be 6, 8, 10. It could be 12, 16, 20. So it's always going to break down to the proportion of 3, 4, 5. So this is still 12 sticks. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. And the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. So half of the base is 4 and the height is 3. So the area is 6. But wait, I thought you said we were trying to get a shape with the area of 4. So this isn't quite small enough. What could we do to shave off 2 more square inches off of the area? What do you think? And all you got to do is move sticks around. So if you moved two of the bottom sticks up and the side stick over, we're cutting off 2 square inches over here. So this polygon is like the 3, 4, 5 triangle with 2 square inches cut off, so the area is 4. What do you think about that? Of course, my sticks are not drawn to scale. um, okay, so if you want to see another way to do this particular polygon, I am going to switch over to the GeoGebra software and show you how to do it over there. So here is the free GeoGebra software. It's just geogebra.org. And if you're teaching or if you're a student or if you just like playing with numbers and shapes, this is wonderful. And I'm going to click on Start Calculator. And it loads like a graph paper for me. And similar to Desmos, there's a like a command line thing over here on the left. There's the algebra calculator, tools, and table. So you have a ton of different options. You can also drag this around. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. And I'm going to draw the polygon triangle from the last thing to show that the area of it actually is 4. And down here, there's a thing that says lines and line segment. So I'm going to click on that and draw my triangle. So remember there was like a piece that was cut out. So these 2 squares here is what was cut out. And the bottom had a length of 4. And the side had, it was like 3 high and then 5 across. So here is my polygon, much more to scale than what I was doing with my little digital sticks. So now that I have this polygon, I'm going to go back to this algebra thing and see how it filled in all of the different points and the segments. So that's pretty cool. And in the next line, I'm going to put area because I want to know the area. Oh, okay. I have to scroll down so you can see it more. And all I'm going to do is enter my points. So let's see, point A is at 0, 1. And then the next point is B, and it's at 0, 3. And then point E is at 4, 0. So when I'm putting in points, I'm putting in the X value first and the Y value second. Point D is at 2, 0. Point C is at 2, 1. And I think that's all of our points. And see right here, it gives me the area is 4. How cool is that? I'm going to circle it just so you can see it. Oops, went to circle it and it moved. So see right there where it has the arrow pointing at 4, the area is 4. And that's how you can use this free software, GeoGebra, to find area of weird shaped polygons like this triangle that I cut a corner out of. So here is my 12 pieces. So like that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then from B to E is 5. Okay. I hope you found this latest math is fun activity fun. It's a neat way to explore and just be curious about math. And the more curious you are, and the more you can experiment and play around and just see where it takes you, the less anxiety you will have when you actually sit down to do math on a test or an assignment. And by all means, these 3 examples are not the only solutions to this particular problem. They're just quick and easy examples. You could play around with it and find more ways to combine 12 sticks and get different areas. So have fun and take care.